Ooh! Woo! It's Orbeez. Let's open! Amazing. Oh my. Hello guys, welcome to my magic show. It will be for you very magic. Today I prepare for you so much drinks. Sprite, Pepsi, Easy Peasy, Monster, Mountain Dew, Chupa Chups, so much. And also today will be Orbeez. Look at this, it's a red Orbeez. So cool. Boom. And also today we will do very amazing experiments with soda and Mentos. Let's do this! Give me Pepsi! I want Pepsi! I really like Pepsi! And where is Pepsi? Yes, it's Pepsi! Very big Pepsi! Ooh! Let's open! Ouch! We'll put this one, like this one. Yes. And now I will take soda. Let's open soda. Oh. Yes. Yes. Very cool soda. And let's try. Ooh! Woo! It was very cool! It's amazing! Take this one. Where's Pepsi? There's not Pepsi. Where's Pepsi? I don't see Pepsi. Yes. The next drink it will be V-Nut. Maybe V-Nut, I don't know. But we will try. Let's open. Oh. It's very cool and tasty. Let's try with Mentos. Like this one. No, nothing. Also, I have orange Orbeez. It's Orbeez. Oh, it's very cool. It's very relaxing. It's Fanta. Ouch. Let's open. Oh my. Maybe we will try with soda. Let's try with soda. Hey. Very small reaction. It's not interesting. Give me another drinks. I want another drinks. Oh, what's it? It's a bitter drink. Let's open. Oh, yeah. Amazing. Let's try. Oh, it's also tasty. It's also good. Maybe also we will try with soda. I will take soda. Here's the soda. And try. Ooh. It was very cool reaction. For you, it was bitter. It's international cola. It's a cola from Russia. Let's open. Same. It's the same cola. It's a new drink. The name is Fruit Style. Oh. Oh my. And now will be a very big experiment. I took for Mentos and soda. Let's add everything. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Yeah, boy. It was very interesting and cool reaction. Thank you for you guys.